Hi, this is Howard Sandberg. I'd like to go over some basic fusing techniques using CBS dichroic glass. A great way to do this would be to use our jeweler's splatter pack. Each pack contains 4 strips of glass. One of the strips of dichroic is on black glass and the other 3 strips are on clear glass. The idea is to cut a piece from each of the 4 strips, stack them all on top of each other in the kiln, and bring the kiln to a full fuse to create a nice rounded cabochon. Each of our splatter packs actually have a fused cabochon contained in the pack, as well as detailed instructions on the back side. Remove the strips from the pack, and what I'm going to do now is cut a 1/2 inch square out of each of the 4 strips. This is very easy because the strips are 1/2 inch wide already, so all I really have to do is make a 1/2 inch cut, and I don't need to be real exact because the kiln's going to correct all my mistakes. The 4 strips in the splatter pack are considered thin glass. Thin glass would be 1.5 millimeter thick. That way those 4 layers create about a 6 millimeter thickness when stacked together. The thickness of the stacked glass is less than 6 millimeters. When it's fused in the kiln, will shrink up, creating a smaller cabochon than a 1/2 inch size. And if the overall thickness of the glass is greater than 6 millimeters, in the kiln the glass will tend to spread out. Now I'm going to cut my 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch length rectangles out of the strips, and these will full fuse into oval cabochons. And again, there's no need to make exact cuts, because by the time it's stacked in the kiln and brought to a full fuse, the heat of the kiln will round everything out nicely. When working with dichroic glass, you'll notice that the coating is only on one side. The general rule is one dichroic surface will not fuse to another dichroic surface. This is not the case with the splatter pack though, because the pattern has blank areas which allow the layers to fuse together. As I stack these in the kiln, the black layer will be the base with the dichroic face up, and then the others can be arranged in any way you like. You can put the top layer with the dichroic coating down to form a clear cap over all the dichroic, which is a more finished look. So I've now stacked my 1/2 inch by 3/4 inch layers together and my 1/2 inch squares together. And now it's time to let the kiln take over.